Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MINISFORUM TB401 docking station. So friend, MINISFORUM has rolled out the new TB401 docking station. It's a 12-in-1 Thunderbolt 4 hub designed to handle a wide range of connectivity needs, developed by Microcomputer Tech Limited. So friends, this docking station panels several ports into a compact package. It measures 148 mm in wide and 86 mm in deep and 41 mm in height and weight approx 570 gram, and it comes with 180 watt AC adapter and future dual Thunderbolt 4 port 85 watt and 15 watt along with the USB 3.2 generation 2 type C port with 20 watt, and let you change, and it include a micro SD card slot, SD slot, and 2.5 gigabit LAN port, 3 USB 3.2 generation 2 type A port plus a USB 3.2 generation 2 type C port and 3.5 mm audio jack. On top of that, there is a HDMI 2.1 port, DisplayPort 1.4, and two Thunderbolt port, one for upstream and one for downstream use. And this lineup allow for up to 3 4K display running simultaneously and even support and 8K high resolution output. And the design is straightforward, are made to demand and made to meet the needs of tech gurus who work with multiple monitors and need reliable and fast connection. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.